Deborah, after your special, your career's never been hotter. Did you ever think you'd be back on top?
Yes.
Deborah's here.
You're here?
She hired new writers.
You know what? She hired 2, which is actually a compliment, isn't it? She had to replace you with 2 people. Wow.
I'm not ready to see her.
Can you hold the door?
This isn't the same as before. No more jokes about my physical appearance.
Oh, come on, now those are grandfathered in.
What's up, Josefina?
Ava, do you need me to give your hair CPR because it is limp and lifeless?
No workaround.
I've got all these eyes on me now. I'm finally respected. Anything I want to do, I have to do now.
Full body chills. Feel goosebumps.
No.
I was perfectly content being a gorgeous Vegas comic, and then you come along and you make me want more for myself.
So you're mad at me for pushing you to be better?
Yes!